Hey, I'm John Ryan Johnson. I'm a director DP based in Brooklyn, New York, and today I'm here for Adorama TV to talk to you about the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. So the Pocket 6K just came out, and it's very similar to the 4K model in many areas. It has the same carbon fiber body, has the same size, and it has the same I/O. This means you can likely reuse your cage, your media, and all your other accessories if you're already a 4K owner. Both the 6K and the 4K model have 13 stops of dynamic range, dual ISOs of 400 and 3200, and a max ISO of 25,600. The Pocket 6K has a super 35mm sensor, which means better low-light capabilities, shallower depth of field, and the ability to shoot anamorphic. Here's a quick test we shot today comparing the low-light capabilities of the Pocket 6K and the Pocket 4K. As you can see, the Pocket 6K has about a half a stop more latitude, as listed on Blackmagic's ISO chart. This half stop advantage in latitude for the Pocket 6K is also evident in this highlight test. On the Pocket 6K, the window is properly exposed at f10. On the Pocket 4K, the window is exposed at f11. Here's also a depth of field test between the Pocket 6K and Pocket 4K cameras. The Pocket 6K has a shallower depth of field and a creamier bokeh effect. One of the biggest advantages in frame rates with the Pocket 6K is the ability to shoot 120 frames per second in 2.8K 17:9. The Pocket 6K is of course made for video, but one of the great advantages of it is it does come with 21 megapixels for still photos. So let's recap the main benefits of the Pocket 6K. You have the ability to shoot in 6K resolutions. You have a super 35mm sensor on which you can also shoot true anamorphic. You have the ability to shoot 120 frames per second in 2.8K 17:9, amazing. And you have 21 megapixels for still photos. For more info on Blackmagic's Pocket Cinema Camera 6K, click on the link below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to Adorama TV for more videos like this one. See you next time.